in this video, it's going to be pretty quick. We're just going to cover the installation of the daytime running lamp on the BMW S1000RR. So the bike comes with standard halogen bulbs in both the left and right light bays. So this side is your low beam. This side would be the high beam. And in each light housing section, there is your H7 bulb, one for the low beam, one for the high beam. But then there's also a daytime running lamp in each of these. And I changed my headlight, or the H7 bulb, to a 6K LED, HID, excuse me, not LED, but HID bulb. And I did the same thing for the high beam. So both of those are HID bulbs. Now, what that did is, obviously, this side, when it's on, when I turn the bike on, it has a very bright white, but with a slight bluish tint. But then on this side, unless I turn on the high beam on the left-hand side here, unless I turn on the high beam, it has that amber halogen bulb color, which it doesn't look awful, but it doesn't look uniform either. So I went ahead and I ordered 2 LED bulbs to replace the halogen daytime running lamps, and I got those installed. I just finished the low beam side just now. In fact, as you can see, I still actually have the light housing, or the cover down there, still taken off. I'm gonna put that back in a second. But it's pretty easy. You basically just reach in, pull out the wire harness that's holding the bulb. The bulb is right there. So the one that has the yellow accents on it, that's the daytime running lamp LED bulb, and then the one above it is the headlight. The same thing on this side. You see the LED in the lower left hand, and the HID bulb is above it, which is the high beam. So now, when I turn the bike on, this is a quick demo. See, now it's nice and uniform. And it's actually pretty bright. I mean, if you look at the wall here, you can see it's illuminated just a little bit. But anyway, now it looks uniform. So both sides, and that's not with in fact, I think I could probably capture that on camera. Yeah, so you see right there, the only bulb that's on is the LED. The headlight is not on, and the same thing here. The only bulb that's on is the LED. And of course, since I don't have the high beam engaged, it's not on. If I actually start the bike, So to me, that just looks much better. Like I said, I'm not sure how much you could hear while the bike was on, but to me, it looks more uniform. Of course, while the bike is turned on in the actual low beam, since it is a HID bulb, it is going to be brighter on that side. But at least now on the high beam side, it doesn't have an amber glow. It's more of I think the bulb is right around 5.5K on the LED. So still, bluish tint in there, which is fine. So now I don't have to actually engage or turn on the high beam on that side and blind people when I'm driving down the street, particularly at night. So that, to have that uniform look. Now it looks more uniform. It's just this side is obviously brighter, since that's where the HID bulb is actually on. And then if I turn on the high beam in situations where I need it, then that side will be brighter as well. So anyway, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to kind of cover that. So now I have the bulbs installed, and I'll put a link in the description of where I ordered those bulbs from. They got here pretty quickly. I think it probably took 2 or 3 days from the time I ordered them with standard shipping. They were pretty good, and yeah, I just haven't had time to install them until now. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you in the next one.